Imagine transforming a simple blog post into a captivating video that racks up thousands of views without touching a camera or editing software. While creators slave over manual cuts, mismatched footage, and robotic voices, burning hours and budgets, Pictory AI swoops in as the ultimate hero, turning text into pro-level videos in minutes. I've tested dozens of AI tools, but Pictory's text-to-video magic is a game-changer for 2025, automating everything from scripts to subtitles. Picture viral content on autopilot, boosting your channel or brand overnight. Ready to ditch the villains of tedious production? Let's unlock this powerhouse. Outdated video creation is the real enemy. Endless editing marathons, pricey stock assets, and inconsistent quality draining your creativity and wallet. In 2025, AI like Pictory isn't optional. It's your edge against competitors flooding feeds with polished clips. This tool slashes production time by 80%, adds auto-captions for 12% longer watch times, and repurposes content seamlessly. But hold on, its step-by-step wizardry turns amateurs into pros. If you're not using it, you're leaving engagement and revenue on the table. Step 1, sign up and get started. Create up to 3 videos instantly, no card needed. Explore the dashboard and unlock 15 video minutes to test features like text-to-video. Newbies even get a $210 expert consultation on annual plans. It's completely beginner-friendly, no tech skills required. Shocked at how easy it is? Next step, input your content. Use Pictory AI for free via my link in the description and start creating today. Step 2, input your text or script. Paste your script, blog URL, or even a topic idea. Pictory's AI generates a compelling script if needed. For articles, it extracts key points. For prompts, it builds from scratch. Choose aspect ratios for YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. This hero automates the foundation, saving hours of writing. Feels magical? Wait for the storyboard reveal. Step 3. AI generates storyboard and visuals. Watch Pictory's AI craft a storyboard. Auto-selects from 18 million plus royalty-free videos, images, and music from Getty/Storyblocks. It matches scenes to your text intelligently. No manual hunting. Add B-roll, transitions, and effects effortlessly. Users rave about its speed, turning long-form into shorts. The villain of stock searches? Vanquished. Now, voice it up. Step 4. Add AI voiceovers and audio. Select unlimited standard voices in 7 languages or hyper-realistic 11 Labs AI in 29, plus 120 minutes on Pro Plan. Upload your own audio for personalization. Pictory auto-syncs it. Layer music tracks and sound effects from thousands of options. Boost engagement with natural narration that sounds human. If this amps your audio, customization awaits. Step 5. Customize with branding and edits. Edit like a doc. Delete text to cut scenes, tweak captions for SEO, apply brand kits, logos, colors, fonts, up to 10 on team plan, swap visuals, add overlays, or resize for platforms. Auto captions increase views by 12%. It's the pro touch without pros. Almost done. Preview time? Step 6. Preview, summarize, and export. Hit preview for a full run-through, then refine with AI summarization for highlights or shorts. Export in 1080p HD, no watermarks. Share directly or download. Enterprise users get API integration for scale. Creators report 80% cost savings. Your video empire built in minutes. Pictory AI banishes production pains, empowering creators to flood channels with engaging content. With 4.7 out of 5 ratings and 10 million plus videos made, it's the 2025 must-have. You've got the insider guide. Will you seize it before rivals? Subscribe for more AI revelations, like and share, and use Pictory AI for free via my link in the description and start creating today.